Hi everyone, it's Jose Farouk here from Trade Simple. Thank you for watching today's video. Today's video is going to be a little different because I'm not going to be talking about Forex or futures. I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrencies. Now, I've been in cryptocurrencies for a little bit of time now, but I've been doing the research on day trading for a long time. And before I came out with any videos or anything like that, I wanted to do my research and make sure I knew exactly how to trade cryptocurrencies, just like how you would trade Forex. Now remember, cryptocurrencies, you don't necessarily just have to buy cryptocurrencies and then just watch it go up long term. You can day trade it just like Forex. And as you can see here, you have my MetaTrader 4 account, and this is a demo. This is not real money. I was just throwing some trades on, just doing some practice rounds just to get ready for this video. But this is on a 5-minute chart for Ethereum USD. So this is basically Ethereum chart. And I wanted to show you, and we're building systems for cryptocurrencies right now that are being translated into MetaTrader 4 as we speak. So I can't wait to show you guys that. But I wanted to show you this, how to not only set up your MetaTrader 4 with cryptocurrencies, but I wanted to show you exactly how this works. A lot of people have been asking me about cryptocurrencies, and you know, this price, if you buy it at this price and it's at this price, why does it equal this much profit? And I want to explain that to you and show you exactly how you can trade cryptocurrency. So first, let's start with how do you actually set up your MetaTrader 4 account with cryptocurrencies. So that's easy. First thing you want to do, and this is just the market, the brokerage that I decided to do my demo account with, is Evolve Markets. Now, one thing I gotta tell you guys is I am not day trading this on live yet. I'm waiting for my systems to be created and translated into MetaTrader 4. I've hired some programmers to do that as we speak. And in the meantime, I'm just testing out the markets in Evolve Markets. But I thought I'd share this video just to show you how to set up your MetaTrader 4 and how to start trading on it, and what the prices mean and how you can make money day trading Evolve Market cryptocurrencies with MetaTrader 4 without a lot of capital. So first of all, go to evolve.markets and create an account. When you create an account, it's basically just going to ask you for your name, email address, just the regular stuff, and make sure you give them your real email address. So when you give your email address, basically just go to, or sorry, when you put in Evolve Markets, go to create account, and there you're just gonna have to set up an account. You don't have to put any personal, like, credit card information, none of that stuff. Email address, password, create account, maybe your name, stuff like that, and get to downloading MetaTrader 4. Okay, don't worry about demo account, none of that stuff yet. Download MetaTrader 4 and it will look like this symbol here. Okay, now you're not going to see any charts or anything like that once you open MetaTrader 4, and that's because you have to set up your demo account still. Alright, so this is how you do that. Now once you create your account, you're going to get an email that looks like the following. It's going to look like this. Okay, so it's going to be welcome to Evolve Markets, and it's going to look exactly like this. Alright, so what you want to do is close all the windows that you see that it's going to all look like nonsense when you first see it. Okay, first thing you want to do is close all your windows, make sure it's clean, and go to File and open an account. Alright, and it won't show you this. It will only be this, and it'll show you this, and then after that it'll show you add new broker. This is my broker that I just set up. Alright, now click on this, and what you want to do is go to your email address, go to your email that you just opened. Okay, you're gonna see this MetaTrader live account, MetaTrader demo account. Alright, what you want to do is you want to copy and paste this. Alright, your demo evolvemarkets.com, your login ID. So go here into your MetaTrader 4, click this, copy and paste that server that I just showed you, copy and paste this thing right here. Alright, copy and paste that right here, then press next, and then it's going to ask you for your login and ID. So let's do one right now. Open account. Okay, we'll just use the one that we already did. Put existing trade account, login, which is your login you see here. Okay, and your password is the same password you created when you were creating your account. Okay, when you were creating your account, you had a password that you put in here. use that password and put it into password here, press finish, and that's it. Initially your charts are going to look all wacky. All right, they're going to look like the following. All right, I'm just going to open a new chart to show you what it'll look like. Let's open up BTC Euro. All right, it's going to look like this. All right, the way you want to change that, if you want your chart to look like mine, so green candles mean up, red candles mean down. If you want to look like mine, go to right click, press properties, and then go to bar up, stays the same. Okay, bar down, put red. Bull candle, put green. Oops, put green, maybe lime green. You can put whatever green you want. And bear candle, put red. Okay, now grid, I don't like the grid, so I put none. Okay, and then also you want to go here and chart shift, and you don't want to auto scroll because they'll keep on shifting back to the straight, especially if you're trying to look at historical prices. It'll keep scrolling back to the front, so you don't want that. So uncheck this bar. All right, and also showed ask line. All right, and press OK, and that's what it looks like. Now it's going to start off looking like lines. Okay, you can have these if you like the way this looks, that's fine. But I usually use candlesticks. Now just press this button here and it shows the candlesticks, and that's it. And there you have your bars right there, your candlestick chart patterns. Okay, and that's how you set up MetaTrader 4 and your cryptocurrencies. Now if you want to open up a new chart, let's say Ethereum, which is ETH USD, then you basically go you go to new chart, click on new chart, and then you can choose from all your cryptocurrencies here. So crypto 2, crypto 3 has the ETH USD. Okay, just press that and you'll get the chart open. All right, and if you want to save template, just go to right click and go to template, and go save template, and it'll save it in this format forever. Okay, now this is a chart that I put together to show you exactly where this win loss is coming from. As you can see, it's in a profitable position right now. Let's move this down just so it doesn't take out our take profit, and let's get back to this. So this shows the lots, which is 0.01. The price we bought or sold it at, in this case we sold it. Okay, and if we sold it at 260.788. Okay, let me just increase the decimal pointage here. $260.788. Then you put the current price. Okay, current price is this 260.574. Okay, now it might show you two prices here. This is the bid and ask, so you're looking at the ask here. So look at this price always. Okay, 260.690. 260.690. The difference is 0.1. We have one lot because one ETH, because we bought 0.01 lots times 100 equals 1 ETH. So our profit, let's do it. It's 71 right now, but let's change this to 60 so we get a real-time gauge of our profit factor. Okay, so this profit should match the profit you see here. So let's change this to 260.420 is $95. See, there's the profit right here, pretty close. It just keeps changing, so that's not exact, but as you can see, it's over $100. Now we sold it, so the price goes down, the more profit we make. Okay, now let's see what type of profit we'll make if we hit our profit target of 256.833. Okay, so let's put it at 256.833, and that would equal $1,000. So if the price hits 256.833, we would make $1,000. Let's do one more example, but this time we're gonna buy, or actually we'll sell. We'll sell one whole lot. So let's do new order. We'll do one lot. Now you'll see the price go up like crazy. Okay, and you know what? Let me exit this position here. Close order. And let's do a new order. One lot. Remember, one lot is 100 ETH. We'll put a sell order again. Put a stop loss at 261.430, 261.430, and a profit target at 257.615, 257.615, and sell market. All right. So there's our stop loss. There's our profit target. And look at that, $26,000. So you obviously, if you don't have enough money in your account, you can't trade one whole lot. So let's take a look at this one we made another order here of one whole lot, and let's do the math. All right, so what we said is we think the price is going to go down. We bought a one whole lot, okay, which one lot equals 100 ETH, which is 100 Ethereum, and we have a profit target here and a stop loss up here. Okay, the profit target price is here, the stop loss price is here. So how do you do the math to find out what your profit loss is? Well, here's our chart. So we bought one lot, sorry, we sold one lot. The lot we sold it at was 259.563, 259.563. okay, and our current price is 260 point, sorry, 261 now, 261.419. okay, the difference is that $48,000. okay, so let's look at the current, most current, so 261.240 is $43,000. all right, so this is ETH. We bought 100 ETH, so we're at loss so far $43,000 until it hits our profit target. So if it gets to our profit target, let's calculate the math and see how much we'd make if it hits our 257,615. all right, 257.615 equals, we'll make $50,000 if it hits our profit target. Okay, now let's watch it for a second and see if it hits, because it would be a really nice number to look at. Okay, for those people, while we're watching this, for those people that aren't good at Excel or want to get this template or want to create their own, let me show you how I did the math. First, do this. Okay, put lots, price block, current price, difference, ETH, and profit. all right, put that down, and then put down the different lot sizes that you have. So the math is, first you put your the price that you bought or sold it at, and then your current price, then you make the difference. Okay, now I have a formula in there, because if you buy and sell, if you buy it, then you have to subtract this from this. If you sell it, then you have to subtract this from this. Okay, so look at the formula here real quick and note that down. all right, so D3 is basically this right here, and C3 is this. okay, so note that down. And ETH is basically whatever lot size you bought multiplied by 100. okay, so if you bought a 0.01 lot, that's 1 Ethereum. okay, now how do you calculate profit? It's simple. It's basically the difference multiplied by the Ethereum. So you have 1 Ethereum multiplied by the price that you bought or sold it at. Simple. And that is what calculates the price you see here. all right, so if you want to gauge how much you could make, this is a really good way to do it. Okay, so I don't know if this is actually going to go down, and especially it actually might, but I don't know if I want to wait, and I want to make you guys wait to see it hit 50,000. But this is all demo, it doesn't really matter. But we are coming up with systems regarding cryptocurrency. Not only are we bringing in futures forex, but cryptocurrency now, a lot of interest behind it. There's a lot of opportunity behind this as well. I know a lot of people making a lot of money day trading cryptocurrency, so I can't wait to show you guys what we have popping. I'm just going to close this order because I don't want to get depressed looking at this negative $30,000. Anyways, there's a lot of opportunity here. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. Make sure you subscribe to my other channel, which is Trade Simple. And thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Again, if you have any questions, just send me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.